So guys, I guess you have finished watching that little scene play or whatever it was. I just thought that I wanted to do something a little bit creative with the help of my classmates. I cannot thank them enough for doing this for me because I just couldn't have gotten that good of a video without them. So yeah, me thank you. And all of their links will be in the description box below and all of that. But let's talk about the glasses for a minute. Here are the two cases that I got. Now you'd think that the nerdish glasses would come in this case and the other fancy one would come in this case. No, Firmoo knew exactly what they were doing. Hello, look at this case. It's literally a map, and then boom, boom, you have these glasses. I like to wear these at school and I think they're pretty cool. And this is how the other ones look in this case. Nothing fancy about this case, but the glasses are fancy. So yeah, all the information about these glasses will be in the description box below because I have really bad memory and I cannot recite things at all. So yeah, that will be easier for you if you just click links and you go where you want to go instead of sitting here and listening to me talk. And yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you liked the scene play. And people are looking at me again. I'm gonna go. Bye.